Hey guys, what is up? It's me, Jeremy, back with another video. So today you won't really need to see the screen because I'm reacting to the most annoying sounds ever. If you get too annoyed by it, just don't watch it. But I'm gonna see if I can last. Okay, let's hit play. What? Wait, is that the whole thing it doing it? Wait, what? The whole thing is that? Really? No, I want a different sound. No. I want a different... most... top 10. Okay, here we go. Okay, top 10. Okay, it's full screen, guys. Hold on. Camera's blocking the way. Hold on. Okay. This is called Top 10 Most Annoying Sounds in the World. Okay? Play. Yeah, I'm not wearing it. Dad. Oh, I hate the dentist drill. No. So cringy. So cringy. Oh, finally. Oh, come on, baby. Up 2? Come on. Really, baby? Oh, stupid. Angel grinder. Oh. Nope, nope, nope. Don't cover your ears. You can't do that. That's cheating. Oh my gosh. Female scream. Shut up. Shut up. Nails on blackboard. Oh no. I hate this. Alarm wristwatch. It's okay. Oh. Gosh. Snort. Really? You gotta be snoring? I'm trying to get some sleep. If I keep snoring, I'll have to not go to sleep and make a video. So wait, hold on. Oh my god, shut up! Siren. Oh. You've got to be kidding me, guys. High frequency high frequency. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay. So, hope you enjoy the video, guys. Also, guys, subscribe if you want more. Jeremy out. My name's Jeff.